A new chapter in aviation is beginning to take shape, not in theory, not in simulation, but in the real skies where innovation meets reality. For decades, flight has depended on fossil fuels, powering global travel while contributing to rising emissions and environmental pressure. Engineers and scientists have long searched for an alternative that could match the power of jet fuel without its consequences. Hydrogen has always stood as a promising candidate, clean, abundant, and energy-dense, yet difficult to harness for controlled aviation systems. Turning that promise into a working aircraft has remained one of the most complex challenges in modern engineering, until now, when that vision has finally lifted beyond the runway into controlled flight. In a breakthrough that signals a shift in aerospace technology, China has successfully flown a megawatt-class hydrogen-powered turboprop aircraft in real-world conditions. Not a concept model, not a laboratory prototype, but a functional system operating with precision and stability. Powered by a hydrogen engine capable of delivering over 1 megawatt of energy, the aircraft demonstrated controlled propulsion and reliable performance during its test flight. This moment represents more than a technical milestone. It marks the transition from experimental research to functional engineering at scale, a transformation where hydrogen is no longer an idea for the future, but a working solution entering the present. This achievement changes the narrative of what is possible in aviation and energy systems. Traditional jet engines rely on combustion processes that release significant carbon emissions, while hydrogen-based systems offer a path toward near-zero emission flight without sacrificing performance. The successful integration of a megawatt-class engine proves that clean energy can deliver the power required for real-world aviation demands across multiple applications. From cargo transport to regional logistics and autonomous delivery systems, the opportunities expand rapidly as confidence grows. Each successful flight builds momentum toward a future where aircraft are efficient, powerful, and aligned with global sustainability goals. The impact of this development extends far beyond a single aircraft or flight demonstration. It introduces a foundation for a new generation of aviation systems designed around clean propulsion and advanced energy integration. Progress in hydrogen storage, fuel delivery, and engine efficiency is accelerating alongside this breakthrough, creating a chain reaction of innovation across the aerospace industry. What begins with unmanned cargo platforms evolves into the possibility of passenger aircraft powered by hydrogen. Global aviation now stands at the edge of transformation, driven by proven engineering achievements and scalable solutions. This is not just the evolution of an aircraft, it is the evolution of flight itself, a shift from dependence on fossil fuels toward a cleaner, more efficient, and more sustainable future powered by innovation and precision engineering. As these technologies continue to advance, the skies will no longer be defined by emissions, but by efficiency, performance, and responsibility at scale. Subscribe to Dezhn for more deep explorations into the technologies shaping the future. Like the video, share your perspective, and stay connected as the next breakthroughs continue to rise and redefine what is possible in aviation.